You've probably received thousands of texts in your life, but we're here to tell you how this text is different. Hey, what's up? I'm Chris Powell.
And I'm Heidi Powell. You've probably seen us on television helping individuals lose hundreds of pounds over the course of a year. Now, whether you want to maintain your health, lose 10 pounds or 100 pounds, the reason this text is different is because your friend cares about you, and that's why they sent it to you.
We're not here to sell you anything. What we want to do is buy you breakfast. And the reason is because breakfast is the most important meal of the day. We also want to give you 10 tips that have changed not only our lives, but the lives of all the people that we've helped transform.
We've come up with these 10 key tips through 15 years of experience, and we've condensed them into 30 minutes just for you. We want to give them to you to help you take the necessary steps to change your life forever.
Now, this special package is typically about a $15 value, but we want you to have it for free.
We know if we can help you change your life, you can in turn help others change theirs. Together, we can do a world of good, and that's what this is all about.
It really is. Look, never before in history have we ever been able to offer anything like this. I mean, you're going to have the whole body line of products. You'll have all the tools that you need. You'll even have an application for your mobile device. The best part is, we are personally here for you, and we're going to coach you through your transformation every step of the way. We're good at what we do, and the results, they speak for themselves. And if you're a trainer out there, this is a perfect resource for your clients in your own coaching program.
Look, your transformation is just a text away. Together, we'll help you transform your body and your life